中國人發明咗風箏接近3000年，呢項古代發明品傳到西方之後，亦都廣受歡迎。而家咧世界各國都有好多風箏愛好者。多倫多每當5月天氣回暖，由主流加拿大人組成嘅風箏會咧，就會去到公園放風箏。潘澤遠帶大家睇下西人設計嘅風箏同中國傳統有乜嘢唔同啊！
風箏對於中國人嚟講，應該係一啲都唔陌生。各式各樣嘅風箏喺天上飛翔，一家大細一齊玩就最啱啦。風箏嘅吸引力遍及全世界，喺加拿大好多城市每年都會定期舉行風箏節，吸引風箏愛好者聚集埋一齊放風箏。淨係喺多倫多地區，幾乎每1至到2個禮拜就有放風箏嘅活動，而5月就正係每年風箏季節嘅開始。多倫多風箏協會就啱啱喺多倫多市以北嘅 Courtright Centre 自然保護區舉辦咗1年1度嘅春季風箏節。嚟呢度嘅人唔單止有風箏愛好者帶住自製嘅各種奇特風箏，亦有一家人帶埋小朋友嚟學自己喐手整風箏。風箏協會準備嘅入門風箏仲可以俾小朋友喺風箏上邊畫圖畫。風箏又名紙鷂，據記載，早喺2800年前，中國嘅春秋戰國時代已經有用風箏作軍隊發放信號嘅工具。之後，風箏就流傳到日本、韓國、泰國、印度等亞洲國家，並成為好多細路仔嘅玩具。直至到15世紀，風箏先至經由羅馬帝國傳入歐洲，廣泛喺民間流傳。風箏經過幾千年嘅變遷，發展出數以百計嘅款式。整風箏嘅材料亦都由以前嘅紙或者絲變成而家嘅尼龍布，而用嚟支撐成個風箏嘅架亦都由傳統嘅竹條變成而家嘅碳纖維棚。至於放風箏嘅線，由以前嘅車衣線演變到而家嘅化學纖維線。現代風箏嘅款式亦都由幾何圖形到而家各式各樣嘅立體形狀，例如飛機形、蝙蝠形，又或者卡通人物形狀都有。而呢隻降落傘型風箏要用2隻手同時操控先至可以穩定控制隻風箏。
That's called a conine kite. It's a delta kite with basically a box kite built in. And then you see some of these hexagonal 6-sided kites flying. That's called a rokaku. Rokaku is a Japanese word for a 6-sided kite. Probably a couple hundred different types of kites.
Okay.
And they're mostly derived of a dozen main designs. Some good examples are a flat kite. Those are kites that are basically flat, have a slight bowing to the center spar. Then there's cellular kites, and that's like what I said about a tetrahedral kite or a box kite. They are a cellular design, a box. You also have inflatable kites.
有啲風箏發燒友中意喺風箏線上邊掛上立體裝飾品，呢啲裝飾品本身唔可以好似風箏咁樣飛，要靠另一隻風箏帶起。好似呢隻大海馬，就要一隻大風箏先至可以拖得起佢啦。唔同形狀嘅風箏操控難度亦都唔同。呢種平面菱形嘅風箏係最容易放飛嘅款式，而呢啲立體嘅充氣式風箏冇返咁上下功夫都飛唔起㗎。有啲人以為要扯住個風箏跑先至放得起個風箏，其實只要等有風嘅時候，將風箏面向迎風嘅方向，當風箏承受到一定嘅風力，只需要將條線放長，風箏就會隨風飛起啦。每當風力減弱嘅時候，就要扯緊條線，以增強牽引力，咁樣風箏就可以飛得又高又遠啦。
When you're flying a kite, the wind should always be at your back. And when you're flying a kite, you should really never have to run. So it's caught the wind and we're just letting it go up in the sky. Sometimes the wind can just carry the kite. You pull on the string a little bit just to get it higher. And there we go, it's up in the sky. It's usually more helpful to fly with a friend because then you won't have to launch it by yourself. You would have your friend walk down the field and they'd hold the kite for you, and then you would just simply tug on the line and it'll go up in the sky a lot faster and it'll go up higher.
放風箏又平又好玩， 成家人嚟到買埋一個自製風箏，都只需要加幣15蚊。喺經濟不景嘅環境之下，又不失為一個好去處。